Welcome to online classes students. So today in our maths class, as we are doing our revision, so let's start our revision. Okay. Yesterday we have done our something statement sum which will come in your test 2. In test 2 we done the statement. Which kind of statement we have done? We have done a subtraction and the addition, right? So let's do more kind of statement here. And yes, how you have to do quickly and how you can do with a proper method that kind of statement sum. Let's do on board. Firstly we will discuss it here by verbal and then we will do in a written work on board. Firstly let's discuss about that we have done about Verma, Mr. Verma, and then we done that how the Rita purchased so many books. Okay, now let's do some another work. Okay, Vineet bought 3 t-shirts. Now you can see this one is very easy for you to learn which one is multiplication statement and which one is subtraction, which one is your addition one, right? So here is a Vineet bought 3 t-shirts at the rate of rupees 255.80 paise, right? This one is your equation, that the cost of 3 t-shirts, right? The cost of 3 t-shirts, how much is the cost of 3 t-shirts? That is rupees 255.80 each. Now how much did he pay in all? What the rate of that one t-shirt? The Vineet bought 3 t-shirts at the rate of 255.80 paise each. Okay. And how much did he pay in all? Now we know that he spent this much amount on the 3 t-shirts. Now we have to find out that is the whole cost of that t-shirts. Okay, so let's find out. Now students, let's start. Now this one is equation given to you in your test. Suppose this kind of situation is given to you, this kind of statement given to you. Okay, now what is the equation given to us? That is Vineet bought 3 t-shirts. How many t-shirts he bought? He bought 3 t-shirts. So this one is your thing which you have to remember. How many t-shirts he bought? He bought 3 t-shirts. Okay. Please take your copy when you're doing your sums. Okay, this one is important for you. So you can see that the 3 t-shirts at the rate of 255.80 paise. Now this one is the cost of one t-shirt. Okay, now this one is the cost of one t-shirt. Dear students, remember he bought 3 t-shirts, but the amount is given to us, that is cost of one t-shirt, right? Now what is the questions for us? What is the statement for us? And what he want to ask from us? This one is a much more important question for us, right? Right now, what he wants to ask from us, that is how much did he pay in all? Which means if he bought 3, 4, 5, 6, any amount is there, that is 3. Okay, now we have to find the cost of all the 3 t-shirts. So when we have one thing and we have to find the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 quantity, then what we have to do? We have to do the multiplication. Always remember that point where we have one quantity or one CP or SP and we have to find the cost of so many things, right? There is 3 things we have to find the cost of every t-shirt, right? The cost of all together, which means we have to do addition, and addition is the form of addition. Okay, when we do multiple addition, that is called multiplication. So students, simple, you have to, but if you want to do a quick method, so you can see when we take 0, which means 3 0 0, and yes, 0 will be 0, right? When we multiply 0 with any digit, so the answer will be 0. So you can see every equation having 0. So we don't know which one answer is correct. So let's do with the second digit. Okay. Always start from our right side. Always remember this. Whenever you start your division, when you start your subtraction, addition or your multiplication, you have to start from your right side. So this one is your right side. So okay. Now we have done this. Okay. 3 0 0. 3 8s are 24. 24. Now you can see here is 4. Okay. 2 go to carry to other number. Which number? 5. Okay. Now 3 5s are 15. 15 16, 17. 17, 7 will be here. 1 go to carry to other number. So you can simply see which one is the right answer. This one is the right answer, which means C is the right answer. But now we want a clarification that is right answer or not. So what we have to do, we have to check, which means we have to prove it that answer is correct answer. So easily you can do there. Okay. Here is 80. Let's take a multiplication. Here will be 80 and here will be 3. 3 0 0, 8 3s are 24, 2 will be here, 3 5s are 15, 15 and 2 becomes 17, 7 will be here, 1 go to carry to other number, 3 5s are 15 and 1 carry become 16 and 16, 6 will be here, 1 go to other number as a carry, 3 2s are 6, 6 and 7. So simply you can see our C answer is correct. Okay, and how we guess about it? We guess with the last 2-digit number, right? With the last 2-digit number, you can guess your answer very easily. This one is your quick method. If you want to do the explanation method, it's on you, students, that you can do this one, or you can simply target that answer by guessing that numbers or multiplication. By multiplication. Okay, so you can see that which one is your right answer, this one is your right answer. Hope you got my words that how you have to solve all these kind of sums, because when we do these sums, we have to take a reminder in our mind that what we have to do, what the statement wants to ask from us, right? The main thing is the things given to us and what we have to find out. As in this I can say in this statement, what we have to find? We have to find the all t-shirt cost. Now you can see which one is the right answer. That is the right answer, and this one is the cost of all the 3 t-shirts. And how much the 3 t-shirt cost? So this one is your answer, 767.40 paise. Okay. So remember to write rupees. Okay, now students, listen very carefully. Again I am repeating my words that how you have to do the multiplication. See, here is 3. The 3 t-shirts he bought. We know that how much t-shirt he bought? He bought 3. But the amount of only 1 t-shirt is given to us. Okay, only 1 t-shirt amount, which means CP price is given to us, cost price of 1 t-shirt is given to us, and what we have to find out? We have to find out the how much did we pay in all, which means the 3 t-shirt how much cost we have to find out, and we find out by the easy method or in a long method, as you can do this one, or we can do this the only simple method by doing this. 3 0 are 0 and 3 8s are 24, 24 to carry, 4 will be here. Okay, by the easy method you can do your sums. Okay, you have any problem regarding this sum, how you have to do the quick method, how you can do for the quick method, remember you have to learn your tables. Okay, so this one is important for you. So this one is your multiplication in your money section, how you have to do this one. This one is done. Let's do the other one. Other one will be also the division method, right? As we have done addition, as we have done subtraction, as we have done now multiplication. Now let's do the division one. But in the last of the video, I will give you some equations which you have to solve by yourself, because some of sums given to you, and this one for you to practice at your home at least. Okay. So students, now you can see the statement. Statement is about the cost of 4 ice cream. The cost of 4 ice cream, right? The cost of 4 ice cream is this much. How much? The 96.50 paise. And now what we have to find out? We have to find out the cost of each ice cream. Hope this one is visible. Okay, now that's why I am giving so much closer to you that will be visible to you on screen. If you have a low data problem or connectivity problem. So here you can see the cost of 4 ice cream. Dear student, how much is the cost of 4 is this much. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find each cost of ice cream. That means in the multiplication, what we have to find the much quantity, and in this division we have to find out the small quantity. As in the last previous equation, what we learn about it? We learn that how we have to do the multiplication in money. Okay, so in the money, as the Vineet bought 3 t-shirts, and we have to find out what he paid in all, and the cost price of 1 t-shirt is given to us. But here the 4 ice cream cost price is given to us, and we have to find the each cost price of every ice cream. Okay, now so let's find out first. Okay, you can see this one. Now simple, if you want to do a quick method, if you know the tables, if you having the ability to learn the table quickly, so you can see what we have to do. We have to take up 4 and division with this amount. Okay, so this amount with this amount we have to divide. So here we can take, okay. Now in the division, we always start from our left side. Okay, this one the rule of your division, that in the division method, what we have to start? We have to start from our right side. Now there is 9. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Right? So 12 is bigger than the 9. So which amount we have to take? Which digit we have to take? The smaller digit. So which is the one, the smallest one? The 8. So here is 2, right? Here will be 1. On the table of 4, 4 fours are 16, right? Now here you can see where is 24 in your answer. Yes, there is 2405. And if you want to confirm your answer, that means you have to prove your answer, so you can do your explanation. Here will be 16 off, and we will take 2. Now we can see on the table of 4, 4 ones are 4. There is no possibility we can take 2 as dividend, right? So we will take the another number, but when we take other number, we have to take a 0. And again, here is 20 now. Okay, now 20 on the table of 4. On the table of 4, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, right? So the which answer is right for us? The first answer is right for us, students. You can see I have done your division here, and now we know that which one is the perfect answer for us. This one is not perfect, this one is not perfect, this one is not perfect, but the equation A, okay, this one is perfect. How? Because now we know that the difference between the multiplication and the division. In the division, we have to find the one cost, where we have to find the unit of one thing, and in the multiplication we have to find so many things, which means so many things we have to find. And yes, in the division we have to find the only one thing. This one, the equation you have to remember in your mind while doing your sums like this. Okay, as simple, you have in your 4 options, and you have to take one. If you choose the correct one, you will get your answer. If you correct one answer, okay, this one is your correct answer, then you get your 1 mark. And if you take the wrong answer, then that will be your 0. That you know. Hope from my side, I hope that you will get 25 out of 25, because every teacher wants that his student or her student become more and more intelligent. So here is your equation of division, but we will do more revision for it, because we know that test 2 paper is very important. Because of there is money in the whole life, you know, we will go through the business, we go for this, for sailing, for coast. So we should know that where we have to do divide, where we have to do the addition, where we have to do the subtraction. Okay, So these are equations are based on our daily lives. So you have to learn all these things, students. Now we learn it that how we have done this. Okay, that we having a 4 ice cream cost price, and we have to find the cost of each ice cream, and how we have done this. We have done this by our division method. So that's all for today, students. Thank you. Have a good day.